Lazy and broke. Know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I don't feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause nothing.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. It's the girl show. So I see by the title down below, I'll be giving you a vlog today. So please, I'm asking you to make sure that you drop a like on the video, drop a comment down below. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the family. If you're not yet subscribed, please, I'm asking you to make sure that you go ahead and do so. Turn on the post notification bell and all. Connect with me on all socials at rush_Shella, and please remember to watch the ads for me. So Friday I did majority of the things that I have to do, which include washing, cleaning and stuff. Like the only thing I didn't do was wash out Chloe white clothes, and cause I say white and them have to soak, and I know how I go with kids and when them dirty up white clothes and stuff. So I have some white clothes and I go wash out for Chloe and for Zoe, as well as towel and stuff same way. Somebody told them there from Friday. Yesterday, Saturday, I was not feeling good. Like, I even did go up on the road even the shopping to show you how I was feeling. So today I will just wash out the clothes them, and then I have Chloe here for comb. Not sure how I go comb my hair, but I have Chloe here for wash and comb. Same way, Zoe here for wash and comb the same way. So I'm gonna just watch the video, and as usual, pick up on myself. These out and then I put them on the line, and then I go wash our bag them, and then that's it.
Keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say with the top down, screaming money in.
Alright guys, so I go wash Chloe here, and then afterwards I go just put some big pots in there until later on I just comb her hair for school. Alright guys, so here what, so I'm gonna be doing porridge. So anyway, Chloe said she want this, me did I think about to do this one, but she tastes this already and she said she love it, so she said she want to try that one here. So I'm gonna do this, so I'm gonna mix it out in some cold water, put it on. So as I know this, but I wanna quint this cook because it's not hard to cook. More than the other package. So now I stir it just to don't make it stick up under the pot bottom. Right. Alright guys, so wanna see it coming on, see it there. So guys, all I need to do with this now is just add your vanilla, your nutmeg, your milk or your sugar, or if you use both, yeah. So that's it, and then it's finished. See there, this basically done. See there. So now you can add more water in it if you don't want it to be this thick, right? Yeah. Alright guys, so I'll turn this off now. As it basically done. So I'm gonna add two cartons of vanilla. 1, 2. Grate a nutmeg. We're gonna mix this round. And all I'm gonna use to sweeten this is just tin milk. You guys wanna say thick, me add water. I wanna say it's still thick. I'm gonna go into our milk now. Alright, this is as much. Alright, so we're gonna mix this now and then that's it. I go just wash out the dish drainer now and then I just wash out the plate them and then pack them back up in there.
Keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you want so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, 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 slide. I don't care if we we on a run. Nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get on, keep the fam around me. So let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing nothing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got five, I'm so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, slide.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna be doing curry shrimp today, and I'm gonna season up the fish here, and maybe just fry it and put it with it same way. So we're gonna be doing this with rice and peas and vegetable, okay? So I'm gonna make the vegetable now, prep them, and then I put it on the fridge so it can soak for later. Alright guys, here we have the vegetables, so I'm gonna just sprinkle this on it, then we put it in the fridge. Alright guys, so right here we have the fish. So I season up the fish, cut them up, and then right here we have the shrimp as well seasoned. So I'm gonna just cover these or put them on the fridge so that they can marinate, so that when I'm ready for cook, I just take them out of the fridge and then we'll start dinner. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching the video. Please remember to drop a like on the video, drop a comment down below, and if you're not yet subscribed, please make sure you go ahead and do so. So it's a girl Rush, and I'll catch you all in the next video.
Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like, okay, I used to be
high volume, high volume,
bitch,
high volume.
okay, I'm pretty